ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 47, ಶ್ಲೋಕ 7. ಬಂಧುಮಿಚ್ಛತಿ ಯಮೇವ ಸಜ್ಜನಃ ತಂ ಭವಂತಮಯಿ ಬಂಧುಮಿಚ್ಛತಿ ಸಾ ನಿಯೋಜ್ಯ ರಶನಾಗುಣಾನ್ ಬಹೂನ್ ದ್ವ್ಯಂಗುಲೋನಮಖಿಲಂ ಕಿಲೈಕ್ಷತ. Word by word meaning. Ayi, O Lord. Sajjanah, good people. Yam, whom. Bandhum, as a friend, benefactor. Ichchati, desire to have. Tam bhavantam, that thee. Bandhum, to tie up. Ichchati, desiring. Sa, she. Bahun, many. Rashana gunan, pieces of rope. Niyujya, joining together. Akhilam, all. The entire length. Dvyangulonam, short by 2 finger breadths. Aikshata, kila, found indeed. Full meaning. O Lord, desiring to tie up thee, whom good people desire to have as their benefactor, Yashoda joined together many pieces of rope, one after another, and found always that the length was short by 2 finger breadths. Note, the word bandhum is used in 2 totally different senses here. The Lord did not grow in size as in the Vamana Avatara, but still the rope was always found to be a little too short. This is his Maya. None can measure him. Om Tat Sat.